This is it, the final leg. Welcome to Traveler's Rest, the north end of the Swamp Rabbit Trail. Over this whole series, we've ridden the entire thing, from the Fountain Inn Spur in the south all the way up here, and today we're going to finish it. Stick with me because we are riding to the very last foot of this trail. We're starting our ride at Trailblazers Park. We are in front of one of the town's painted rabbits. There are 6 hidden around Traveler's Rest, part of a public art trail called Beyond the Burrow. On the left, we just passed a trail counter. That was put in by a nonprofit called Bike Walk Greenville. It tallies every walker and rider who goes by, today's count and the whole year. And get this, since 2009, this trail has logged over 8 million trips. All these shops on your left, they used to be empty mill buildings. When the trail came through, the town came back to life around it. At the end of that strip, there's this "Hey y'all, welcome to Traveler's Rest" mural, painted by local artist Adam Schrimmer, one of the most photographed spots in town. Traveler's Rest earned its name back in the wagon days. Drovers hauling livestock down out of the mountains would stop to rest overnight. Then they would push on to Greenville in the morning, a place you spent the night and moved on from. It stayed that kind of waypoint for 2 centuries, until the trail turned it into a town people actually come to stay. Right here is the bike shop at Sunrift Adventures, the outfitter at the top of the trail. It's a good place to get your bike repaired or get a new bike. This is your last stop before things get quiet. To the left is the trailhead to access the new Gold Line. There's a video on my channel riding that line specifically if you want to check it out. And right here is the end of the Swamp Rabbit Trail, about a mile past downtown TR. If you followed this series, we just rode the whole thing together, every connected mile from Fountain Inn to here. Thank you for riding all of it with me, and that's the state of the trail.